So I'm starting with this yellow shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I am just going to run that through my crease. And I'm just slowly building up that color to make it as opaque as I want it. And now that it is at the desired level of yellow, I'm gonna take this red shade, or it's like a reddish orange, and then I'm just gonna pack it all over my lids. And now I'm just slowly building up the opacity by adding about 3 layers of this shade. And now I'm just going back in with nothing on this brush and blending out the harsh edges. And now I'm going in with the Modern Renaissance palette and taking this orange shade and just putting it between that red orange and the yellow on a super small blending brush. Okay, and right here I look a little bit like a lunatic, but I am taking that deep red orange shade from Modern Renaissance and just deepening the outer corner. I'm now mixing golden ochre and burnt orange, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line because I didn't want it to be too intense. I wanted all the focus to be on the lids. I added mascara and a wing off camera, but now I'm just going to go in with Benefit's Hoola Bronzer to bronze up my face. I'm now taking the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Feisty and just popping that on my cheeks. Now I'm going in with the, what is it? The Kat Von D Shade and Light palette to contour. I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette in Volume 1, and you are about to witness me try about 50 different things to get the perfect lip color because everything was just not working. Everything was wrong. now I'm going in with this deep brown shade from the palette to contour my lips, if you will. Okay guys, and that is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed it and are feeling like so fall and like so pumpkin spice and like so cute. Hopefully you feel inspired. Okay, and like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.